Hey, adventurers! I'm Priya Patel, your new travel buddy, here to bring the world a little closer to you. I live in Boston working for a financial firm. I travel around the world with my husband Mike Alexander to experience life and create memories. With a heart full of wanderlust and a bachelor's in international relations, I've turned my passion for cultures and stories into a journey I share with you. From capturing breathtaking views to diving deep into the traditions that make every corner of this planet unique, I'm all about those moments that truly connect us to the world. Whether it's grooving to new rhythms or choosing paths that protect our planet, every adventure is a step towards understanding and sustainability. So, are you ready to explore, learn, and grow with me? From the best airlines to hotels and restaurants for all budgets, from cities that the government of the country is promoting and for whatever reason. Let's embrace this beautiful journey together. Follow me for tips, tales, and all the travel inputs you'll ever need.